Hi there, learners. This is a writing lesson. In this writing lesson, I am going to talk about opinion writing. I'm first going to start with reviewing what opinions are and what opinion writing looks like. Opinions tell what we like or what we would choose. Opinion writing has a beginning that introduces the topic and opinion, a middle that gives reasons to then support that opinion, and an end that makes the opinion clear. Using this information about opinion writing, I came up with an example opinion brainstorm. The topic that I chose to write about was my favorite animal. My opinion is that cats are my favorite animal and the best animals. I came up with 3 reasons to support that. Cats are soft, cats are cuddly, and cats are smart. I then finished my brainstorm by coming up with a conclusion or ending to make sure that my opinion was clear. Cats are my favorite animal and they are the best animals ever. Now that I have my thoughts out on my paper, on my brainstorm, I am going to take my thoughts and transfer them into a paragraph. I'm going to erase this here so that I have room to put my brainstorm and my writing so that my learners at home can see both. At the top here, I am going to write opinion writing. When I am starting my opinion writing, I need to start by writing my opinion. My opinion, once again, is that cats are my favorite animal and cats are the best animal. I'm going to start writing on the first line here. I am going to start close to the red line. I'm not going to start in the middle of the paper. I'm not going to start halfway down the page. I took my opinion from my brainstorm and transferred that on to my rough draft or my paragraph. I'm going to put a check mark here to let me know that I've taken that thought and transferred it. Now that I have my opinion, I can start transferring my reasons onto my rough draft or onto my paragraph. I'm going to start with reason number 1. Cats are soft. When I'm taking ideas off of the brainstorm, I can change them as needed or add to them as needed. I took the reason of cats being soft and transferred it to my opinion, rough draft, or paragraph. I'm going to put a check mark here to let me know that that thought has been transferred. My next thought that I want to make sure to include is that cats are cuddly. I took the thought of cats are cuddly and I transferred it to my rough draft or my paragraph while making a few changes. I changed it to cats like to cuddle and sleep with you. I'm going to go ahead and put a check mark here to let myself know that I've taken this thought and included it on my next paper. My last reason that I want to make sure to include in my rough draft or paragraph, is that cats are smart. I took my thought from my brainstorm and transferred it in or on to my rough draft. I'm going to put a check mark here to let myself know that I've taken that piece of writing and transferred it. Now I have, in my opinion paragraph so far, the topic and my opinion. I have 3 reasons to support my opinion. So last but not least, I need a conclusion or an ending that makes my opinion very clear. I'm going to take the conclusion or ending that I brainstormed and transfer it onto my opinion rough draft or opinion paragraph. Now that I've taken the conclusion, I'm going to go ahead and put a check mark here. I have taken all of the thoughts from my brainstorm and included them in my opinion rough draft. I'm going to read what I have. Cats are my favorite animal and the best animal. Cats are very soft. Cats like to cuddle and sleep with you. Cats are very smart. Cats are my favorite animal and they are the best animals ever. This is just an example of how to take an opinion brainstorm and transform it into an opinion rough draft or paragraph. This is just a review to help my learners at home receive practice on what opinion writing is, what it looks like, and get them set up for the next time they have to use opinion writing. Thank you.